The long wait is over and Filmora 15 is here. In this video, you will learn how to use AI Extend and animated charts. Let's start with AI Extend. This feature allows the user to extend any clip with a duration of 5 seconds or more. I will be using this 5-second clip and extend the video with the help of AI. As you can see, the clip ends where the man is suspended mid-air. Simply drag the end of the clip and extend it to your liking. I will be extending it for at least 2 more seconds. After that, you can tweak some settings here, like what type of extend you'll be doing, and the most important here is the prompt, which will dictate AI what to generate. I'll be using this prompt where there's a guide for the camera following the man downward to see his other movements. After this, you may choose the resolution of the extension and its duration, which has only 5 seconds or 8 seconds max option. By the way, you can only use this feature if you purchase a subscription for Filmora 15. You can use my link in the description to get a discount on your first purchase of this new version. Hit generate and wait for a few moments, and once done, you will see another clip in your media files that has been generated. Let's watch the result. That's only the 2 seconds that I extended. You can still access the whole 5 seconds clip that AI Extend generated. Let's see the whole clip. Pretty cool, right? Try Filmora 15 using the link in the description below. Another feature that I really like as a teacher is this animated charts. This is like an automation of data presentation that's useful for teaching, projects, or business presentations. There are many animated chart options here, from bar graphs, pie chart, donut chart, etc. And all of these are customizable. To customize your animated chart, go to Data, and in this tab, you can select what will appear in the animation, and of course you can insert your own data. You can directly edit the existing data here by click on them one by one, or you can just import an XLSX or CSV file containing your data presentation. Example is this CSV file containing info about PH debt. This is not official, by the way. There are 3 columns in my file, but I will only be using value and year. You may select what columns you want to visualize in the animated chart here. Once done, you may now preview the animated chart and tweak some settings to your liking. If you want the labels to appear, just enable data point labels. To adjust the thickness of this line graph, you can adjust it in lines and dots. Changing the background is also possible. Most importantly, change the header to match your data presentation. Animated charts really are fully customizable. Once you're done customizing, you may now add it to your timeline and make other necessary edits. That's it for now. There will be more features to come in Filmora 15, so make sure to try them all out. Don't forget to use the link below to purchase your Filmora 15 subscription. See you on my next video.